pretty blue face. Yes, look at how big these guys are. And there's the new rooster. He's pretty handsome. Let's hope he doesn't turn mean like Otis. And there's the new coop. I know you guys saw that. Here's the yard. And here's some of these guys outside. There's a pretty naked chicken. And here's all the other guys. And guess who's still here? Mr. Otis. Papa didn't do it. He's more of a softie than we all want to believe. Oh, Otis, seriously. Mr. Nasty Pants. Hey, Mr. Nastiness. Woohoo! Look at you. You're beating up on the girls and they got you back. These guys are molting really, really bad. That means that they're losing their feathers. And oh, here we go. This is some of the girls. Where's Annabelle? And here's our guineas. Come on, guys, ladies. You want to come out? We'll let you out in a little bit. Hey, Mama. Say hi, Tiggy Tiggy. Tiggy Tiggy. Where's all your feathers? Where's that? Where's all your feathers? So these are the big guys. And then we got the turkeys and the chickens are all in the brush over there. These are the babies that we got this year. So they're almost big enough to put the other chickens in with them. That'll happen. Oh my goodness, little rooster. So they're all, I don't know if you can see them in there, but they're all walking in and around the brush. And Papa's been putting the goats out there, so they ate all the foliage low on the branches, so we're going to pull that all out, clearing it, and they have lots and lots of room to run around. So, miss you guys. Talk to you soon. Love you.